So, you're thinking about giving Goodbudget a shot, huh? You've heard the buzz, maybe seen those slick ads, and now you're wondering, is this budgeting app worth it? And if you're like most people, one of the first questions popping into your head is, how much is this thing going to cost me? Let's dive in. Now, I know what you're thinking. Budgeting apps are supposed to help you save money, right? So, the last thing you want is to shell out a bunch of cash for a tool that's supposed to help you manage your finances. Trust me, I get it. Good news is, Goodbudget understands this. They've got a pretty smart approach to pricing. They figured out that offering a free version is a great way to get people hooked. And it works. Millions of people are using the free version to manage their money. But let's talk about the paid version. Because, let's face it, if you're serious about taking control of your finances, you're probably going to want to upgrade. The paid version of Goodbudget is pretty straightforward. There are two main options. Monthly subscription, this is where you pay a set amount every month. Think of it like Netflix, but for your budget. Annual subscription, if you're confident you'll stick with Goodbudget for the long haul, this option offers a bit of a discount compared to paying monthly. Now, the exact price can fluctuate. App stores sometimes have their own deals, and Goodbudget might run promotions from time to time. But generally speaking, you're looking at a pretty reasonable price point. It's definitely not going to break the bank, especially when you consider the potential savings you can make by using the app effectively. One thing to keep in mind is that Goodbudget is constantly adding new features and improving the app. So, by subscribing, you're not just paying for the current version, you're also investing in future updates and enhancements. But let's be real. Price isn't everything. Sure, it's important, but it's not the only factor to consider when choosing a budgeting app. What really matters is whether or not the app actually helps you achieve your financial goals. So, before you whip out your credit card, take some time to explore Goodbudget's features. See if it aligns with your budgeting style. Check out reviews from other users. Make sure it's the right fit for you. And remember, budgeting is a journey, not a destination. It's about finding a system that works for you and sticking with it. Whether you choose Goodbudget or another app, the most important thing is to create a plan and stick to it. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.